Good afternoon, Professor and classmate. My name is Tatiana Camila Nieto Gonzalez. I am 20 years old. I am from Mariquita, Tolima. I currently live in Mariquita, Tolima with my mother. I am an industrial engineering student. I like to listen to music and eat and eating the gym where and mountain are routing from Monday to Friday. I just watch television to eat. My family is made up of 4 people, with me. My mother is Flor Alba Gonzalez. She is 59 years old. She works independently. She is from Anda, Tolima. She is very affectionate and loving. Her eyes are brown and she has brown hair. My father, Jorge Lirio Nieto, is 60 years old, works in Pozo Soda, a nice and bad-tempered. His eyes are brown and he has black hair. My sister is Vivian Gonzalez. She is 34 years old. She currently lives in the United States. He is a bad-tempered. Her eyes are brown and she has black hair. Finally, I am the fourth person good mates with the 4 members of my family. I am Tatiana Nieto Gonzalez. I am 20 years old. I live in Mariquita, Tolima. My eyes are brown and my hair is black.